Presenting the 2002 Toyota Camry SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear defrost, tilt steering, stereo tape, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, driver airbag, center console, and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.